Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please watch the full video, hit that like button and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Open the Pixel app, select the import button. Go to the gallery, select a picture. Remove the background, select the erase color. Enable button the on. Select the text option. Edit by return. Select the size. Adjust the size. Change the color. Adjust the color. Select the stroke. Enable button the on. Adjust the color. Select the texture option. Go to the gallery. Select another picture. Adjust the picture. Select the font option, adjust the font. Select the stroke, enable button down, adjust the color. Select the shadow, enable button down. The texture, go to the gallery, select the picture, adjust the picture, change the background color, adjust the color below. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.